The numerical is given as the resistance R1 and R2 have respectively nominal values of 10 ohm and 5 ohm and tolerances of plus minus 5% and plus minus 10%. The range of values for the parallel combination of R1 and R2 is, and here are the options. It is asked in GATE 2001. So how to solve the numerical? First of all, whenever the numerical is given, let us extract the given data. After that you can solve it. So first of all, concentrate on the given data. Here you can see the nominal values of R1 and R2 is given. Nominal values, what do you mean by nominal value? Nominal value is nothing but the true value. So true value of R1 is given, that is 10 ohm, and true value of R2 is given, that is 5 ohm. You can write that. True value of R1 is 10 ohms and true value of R2 is 5 ohms. And tolerances are given. Tolerances are nothing but the errors. You can say that. So it is given as for R1 it is plus minus 5% and for R2 it is given as plus minus 10%. What we have to find? We have to find out the range of values for the parallel combination of R1 and R2. First of all, for finding the parallel combination of R1 and R2, first of all we have to find out the range for R1 and R2 individually. Clear? For that, the formula for range. What is the formula for range? The formula for range is true value plus minus the error. Here we know that this error is not in percentage. This error is not in percentage. So first of all, find out the range individually, range for R1 and individual range for R2. Range is nothing but having upper limit and lower limit. So first of all, find out the value of range of R1. So here substitute the values in this formula. What is the value for? That is the true value of R1, that is 10 ohms. It is already given. Plus minus sign is there, and error. Error is nothing but the tolerances, you can say that. So how much it is given? That is the 5%. 5% means 5 upon 100. It is on true value, so multiplied by the true value. When we solve for the plus sign, you will get the value as 10.5 ohms, and when we solve for the minus sign, you will get the value as 9.5 ohm. Similarly, we can find the value of range of R2 also. So here substitute the value. First, the true value for R2 is 5 plus minus error. Error is 10%. That is nothing but the tolerance for R2. It is given as 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. It is on true value, so multiplied by 5. So when we solve for the plus sign, you will get as 5.5 ohms. And when we solve for the minus sign, you will get as 4.5 ohm. So the range of R2 will become now 4.5 ohm to 5.5 ohm. Here you can see there will be the two values of R1 and R2. I already told you that range is nothing but having upper limit and lower limit. So this is nothing but the lower limit or the lower value, you can say, and this is nothing but the higher value. This is higher value and this is, you can say, the lower value. Similarly for R2 also, you can say this is nothing but the lower value for R2 and this is nothing but the higher value or the upper value for R2. Is it clear? Now what we have to find out? The parallel combination, the range of parallel combination of R1 and R2. So what is the parallel combination formula? We already know that it is the basic formula. It is given as R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. First we will go for the lower limit and next we will go for the upper limit. So the range of lower limit range is given as R1 and R2. What is the lower limit range of R1? That is 9.5 and lower limit of or the lower range of R2 is 4.5. When we solve this, you will get the value as 3.053. Similarly, you can have the value for upper range of this R1 and R2 combination, that is the parallel combination. So the upper limit for R1 is as 10.5 and for the lower limit it is 5.5. So when we solve that, you will get the value as 3.609. This is nothing but the lower range and this is nothing but the upper range. So what we can say, the complete, that is the total range of RP, that is the parallel combination of R1 and R2 is 3.053 ohms to 3.609 ohms. This is the complete range. And from the options, you can see the closest value will be near the option 1. So the correct answer is option A.